Right now, at least from the LEFD side, we're focused on two things: containing the fires and saving lives and protecting property. With the impending winds, we got to pay really, really close attention to this. This wind event is approaching us, and it's approaching us very, very quickly. I want to reassure you that your LEFD, all of our regional partners, every single agency that has come from up and down this state and outside of the state, we are ready. Mayor Bass, Chief McDonald, myself, our city leaders are fully committed to ensure that we're ready for this next event.
Elevated critical fire weather conditions will continue through Wednesday. Please rest assured that your County of Los Angeles Fire Department will be prepared. These winds, combined with low humidities and low fuel moistures, will keep the fire threat in all of Los Angeles County very high.